Hello, my name is Caitlin McCabe. Today, I would like to present to you an amazing property which has been newly listed at 4312 Grand Avenue in Western Springs, Illinois. Western Springs, founded in 1886, is an upscale, family-oriented suburb of Chicago which offers its residents all of the charms associated with small-town living, such as an abundance of locally owned and operated businesses lining the city's streets, a town hall where people can meet to discuss the business at hand, a gorgeous water tower and historical society at the center of town, a plethora of schools, parks, and outdoor activities, as well as many beautiful homes, none of which could be considered more beautiful than 4312 Grand Avenue. This stunning 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 3-story home boasts a long list of upgrades and amenities, which would make any homeowner proud. Let's start our tour today in this amazing Eden kitchen, which has been recently rehabbed, measures well over 200 square feet, and is chock full of stainless steel appliances and custom cabinetry, plus a huge center island which is ideal for the preparation of a meal or perhaps the display of a dessert buffet. As we move into the formal dining room, which offers a 9.5-foot ceiling above, hardwood flooring below, and a beautiful 3-panel bay window, allowing in an abundance of natural light, it is easy to be enamored by the large built-in buffet, which is greatly complemented by the leaded glass doors. After partaking in any delicious meal, which was wonderfully prepared in the outstanding kitchen and thoroughly enjoyed in the gorgeous dining room, it is time to retire to either the incredibly spacious living room, measuring in at well over 300 square feet and offering high ceilings, a beautifully decorated fireplace, and a wonderful view of the front yard, or the family room, which is quite spacious as well, measuring in at just over 300 square feet and offering a very comfortable setting for a fun conversation about the day's events, or perhaps you may decide to visit the rec room for a game of pool and a beverage of your choice. Moving up to the second floor of this amazing home, we find 5 bedrooms, all of which have 8.5-foot ceilings, plenty of square footage per room, an abundance of natural light, and fun decor throughout each of the rooms. As we move to the third floor, we find the gem of the house, the master suite. This suite measures an amazing 300 square feet, boasts a vaulted ceiling and ceiling fan, a fireplace in the suite's sleeping area, a lounge area perfect for reading and relaxing, and an abundance of closet space and an adjacent master bath with a sunken tub, double sinks, a standalone shower stall, and an overhead skylight to beautifully illuminate the glass tile wall. This master suite proudly stands atop this incredibly spacious and truly impressive property at 4312 Grand Avenue in Western Springs, Illinois. To schedule a showing or for further information, please call the number you see listed below. I'm Caitlin McCabe. Have a wonderful day.